Friday, April 20th. Flat calm, Lake Erie. 8 o'clock. Guys are getting ready to go perch fishing. Beauty day if you can get the day off today. Lots of huge jumbo perch. 20-21 inch smallmouth US side. Trophy season opens May 1st. You can still book your guided trips. Just came back from Detroit. Got 100 walleye in a week. All kinds of boats there. Not one boat in here. Gotta check it out. Book your walleye trip. Learn how to run your boards before the season starts. FishingNiagara.com. Check it out. Facebook and Twitter. Good luck. Wishing I was fishing.